Hello dear students, कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are fine and doing very well. So let us start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 7, more on Scratch 3.0. Okay students, so Scratch 3.0 is a visual programming language that uses graphic elements or blocks rather than just text to translate logic. Okay students, तो क्या है ये Scratch? ये स्क्रैच स्टूडेंट्स एक विजुअल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है जो हमें ग्राफिक एलिमेंट्स के साथ मिलती है. ओके, इट कैन ऑल्सो ट्रांसलेट आर टेक्स्ट टू द required logic. Okay students, and using the graphic elements it allows students to create their own interactive stories, games, animation. जो स्टूडेंट्स जो आप लोग हो, आप लोग स्क्रैच यूज करके इंटरैक्टिव स्टोरीज बना सकते हैं, गेम्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं या फिर एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्क्रैच ब्लॉक्स कैन बी यूज फॉर एनीथिंग from making animations to telling interactive stories. The most popular use of Scratch, however, is to program video games. Okay. इन्फो सेल में स्टूडेंट्स एक इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है कि स्क्रैच वाज क्रिएटेड बाय लाइफ लॉन्ग किंडरगार्टन ग्रुप एट MIT Media Lab and is available for free download at this website. Okay students, now what are the advantages of Scratch 3.0? So Scratch 3.0 is easier to use than most other programming languages for a number of reasons. So students, वो reasons क्या है? You don't have to remember or type any commands. आपको कुछ भी remember करने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर कुछ भी type करने की जरूरत नहीं है. They are all on screen, and so you can just drag and drop them, right? Now commands fit together like jigsaw pieces, so there are strong visual hints about how you can combine them. After that students, the commands are color coded and categorized so you can easily find commands when you need them. The commands in Scratch simplify common activities and games such as testing whether a missile has hit an alien, collision detection, or rotating a character on screen. Okay students, now let us start using Scratch 3.0. Students, how to start Scratch 3.0? You have to follow these steps. Your step number 1 is click on the start button. Step number 2, click on all apps. Okay, after that scroll through the app list until you reach Scratch 3.0 and click on the icon. The name Scratch 3.0 will appear with the logo Scratch. Okay, the Scratch 3.0 window will appear with number of components on the screen. So what are the components of the screen? Scratch 3.0 students. So here we will explore Scratch 3.0 editor. So here are some elements such as menu bar, tabs, flags, stage, sprite info pane, script area, blocks, add extension, sprite list, choose a sprite, choose a backdrop. Okay students, and programming palette. So students, Scratch editor is where you create projects in Scratch. So let us explore the Scratch 3.0 editor. Programming palette students सबसे पहले आता है. It contains all the essential tools which are required to program a sprite to do or say something. Okay. उसके बाद आता है students block. It contains puzzle piece shapes that are used to create code in Scratch. These blocks are connected to each other vertically like puzzle pieces. Every block has its own shape that prevents syntax errors. Once these blocks are connected, they are called the scripts. Okay, so these are the following 6 different shapes available in Scratch. Students, कौन सी shapes हैं ये? Hat, stack, boolean, reporter, C and cap. Okay, उसके बाद आता है student stage. So this is a place where everything takes place, such as animations and turtle graphics, either in a small or normal size, with a full screen option also available. It uses X and Y coordinates to monitor action with 0, and 0 being the state center. All the action by the sprite is performed here. Students, फिर आता है sprites. ठीक है, it is a graphical character that is programmed using the programming palette. All the action is performed on the sprites by default with a cat avatar display on the sprite panel. Users can also draw their own sprite. Okay, फिर आता है student script. In the script, everything defines what kind of operations should be done by sprites. It tells the characters what to do or say. Every single sprite is programmed with a script. Okay students, फिर आता है students sprite. In Scratch, a sprite is an object from characters like people or animals to props like a guitar and even a clickable button. Okay, every new Scratch project comes with a sprite already loaded into a program. Okay, and there is a library of additional options to choose from. Okay students, now where is your sprite? So every sprite has an X and Y position on the stage. ठीक है, फिर X position of the sprite from the left to right and Y position from the top to bottom. At at the very center of the stage x is 0 and y is 0. Okay, now move a sprite. अब आपको sprite को students move करना है. You can use the arrow keys to move the cat sprite to the left or to the right. Create this code which moves the cat sprite 30 steps when you press the right arrow keys. Okay, अब हम इसका कोड भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं अगर हमें इस कैट को 30 स्टेप्स आगे ले जाना हो राइट डायरेक्शन में. Create another code stack that moves the cat 30 steps to the left. अब वो 30 steps अगर left जाना हो तो हम कोड क्रिएट कर सकते हैं when you press the left arrow key. Okay, अब स्टूडेंट्स इन्फो सेल में एक इन्फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है. There is a range of tutorials available in the Scratch tutorials library which guide learners to creating projects with Scratch. Students can get started making their own stories, animation and schemes. You can get to the tutorial library from the Scratch editor by clicking the tutorial buttons. Okay students, so यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स आपको दिखाई दे रहा है एक बल्ब का बटन जो कि है ट्यूटोरियल को सिंबलाइज कर रहा है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, फिर आता है स्टूडेंट्स कोड ब्लॉक्स क्या होते हैं. स्क्रैच रन्स ऑफ ब्लॉक बेस्ड कोडिंग, meaning the different code blocks and their configuration holds all of the power when it comes to creating games and stories. So these different types of blocks include कौन से blocks है students. सबसे पहले आता है motion blocks. These blocks control a sprite's movement. ये sprite की movement control करते हैं. Slide, spin, move and more. Okay, for example this could be move 10 steps to move the sprite forward 10 steps, right? फिर आता है students look blocks. Okay, so these blocks change the appearance of a sprite, either changing the color or size or even making the sprite say something. For example, change size by 10 or say hello for 2 seconds, right students? So इस तरीके से आप look blocks apply कर सकते हैं. फिर आता है students sound blocks. These blocks add sound to the effect to the sprite. These blocks help to play sounds, edit sound effects or change the volume. For example, play sound meow until done or change pitch effect by 10. तो आप ऐसे sound effects भी apply कर सकते हैं students. Events blocks. So these blocks say tell sprites when to start running code, कब run करना है. ठीक है, so control blocks क्या होते हैं students. These blocks allow for more power over the code and are used to create looping animation or pauses between events. To create a program, you drag blocks from the palette to the script area. ब्लॉक्स को ड्रैग करिए पैलेट से स्क्रिप्ट एरिया तक. 2 or more blocks interlock to form a stack. 2 और more blocks मिलके एक stack फॉर्म करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. मेकिंग द कैट वॉक डाउन द हिल. अगर मुझे इस कैट को क्या करना है, हिल के नीचे वॉक डाउन कराना है, तो हाउ कैन आई डू दैट. सो इन द प्रीवियस क्लास यू हैव लर्नड हाउ टू क्रिएट अ प्रोग्राम. इन दिस क्लास वी विल लर्न टू डू समथिंग मोर इन स्क्रैच. So students, here we are going to make a cat walk down the hill. Read the following steps carefully. So students, you have to click the cat in the sprite list. Sprite list में students आप cat को click करेंगे. Kill the then step number 2 is students click the code tab above the blocks palette. फिर आप students code tab को click करेंगे above the block palette. उसके बाद click the motion button to the left of the blocks palette. motion button को press करेंगे. उसके बाद you make the program by dragging the blocks into the script area from the blocks palette. Okay, एक क्विक टिप स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ दी गई है that make sure the blocks snap together, otherwise you won't work on one script. आप one script पे काम नहीं कर सकते, आपको ब्लॉक को snap करना होगा together. If they don't snap together, they are not close enough. अगर वो स्टूडेंट snap नहीं हो रहे एक साथ तो इसका मतलब they are not close enough. Okay, to do this for your first block, click the turn clockwise 15 degrees. अब टर्न क्लॉकवाइज 15 डिग्रीज पर ये जो कैट है स्टूडेंट्स ये टर्न कर जाएगी 50 डिग्रीज पर. ठीक है, clockwise direction में in the blocks palette, hold the mouse button down, move the mouse pointer into the script area and release the mouse button. उसके बाद students the first block will point our cat downhill and ready for its walk. Now click the move 10 steps block in the blocks palette, drag it into the script area and drop it underneath the to turn the clockwise 15 degrees block and they will snap together. Now click the control button beside the blocks palette. Now control blocks are used to decide when the thing should happen. Okay, so drag the wait 1 second block into the script area and snap it underneath the other 2 blocks. This block adds 1 second delay. Without it, our cat would move so fast. अगर हम 1 second का delay नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी cat बहुत जल्दी move करेगी. That would appear just to jump from start of its walk to its end. Okay. Now, sloping down enables us to see what's going on. You can make it walk a bit faster by changing the delay from 1 second to 0.5 seconds, right? Now, right click the move 10 steps block and when the menu opens, click choose duplicate. This copies the block plus any block underneath in your script. In our example, it copies a move and weight the blocks. Okay, now move the copy to the bottom of your program and click to the place blocks here. Okay, you can repeat the steps several times to make the cat walk further. It's a long walk for a tiny cat, so let's make it finish its walk with the explanation of Pew in a speech bubble. Okay, students, now click the looks button beside the blocks palette. Now drag the say hello for 2 seconds block into the script area and join it into the program. Okay, now click hello to edit what the cat says to Pew. Okay, when you start a scripts command, it is called running the script. Okay, students, to run your script, click any of the joined up blocks in the script area. Scratch carries out all the joined up instructions in order, starting at the top and working its way down the blocks. Okay, what happens if you click the script to run it again? So the cat turns again and walks from the where it's finished the last time. Eventually it will be walking on its head. So students, यहाँ एक quick tip दी हुई है. When your block is running, it has a yellow outline. Okay, you can start the forever block by clicking on it, and when you click a second time, it will stop. Okay, now students, we will learn to save our game. So saving your game, you should save the project before closing the Scratch window so that you can reuse or modify them in future. The file extension of Scratch is .sb3. Okay, so let's save the work done in Scratch 3.0. First step is click the file menu. Second step is click the save. Click select save of your computer. To open a project, load from your computer. Okay, choose the location for the project is to be saved. Assign a name to the project in file name box. Now click on the save button and this is how you can save your game. Students, I hope ये चैप्टर आपको समझ आया होगा और बेहतर समझ आएगा जब आप इसका प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अब देखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स हमारे रिबूट सेक्शन में कुछ पॉइंट्स को. So Scratch allows students to create their own interactive stories, games and animations. The commands are color coded and categorized so you can easily find commands when you need it. Programming palette contains all the essential tools which are required to program a sprite to do or say something. All the action is performed on the sprites. Okay, you can use the arrow keys to move the cat sprite to the left or to the right. The file extension of Scratch is .sb3. Okay students, so here we are done with this chapter students. So we will meet in the next video with our new chapter students. Till then, keep revising, keep learning. Thank you. All the best. Okay students.